Welcome, I'm Marc Jenkins, Customer Success Partner Sales Manager for the Middle East at Formpipe. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can design and generate documents to meet the requirements, regulations and compliance for the Middle East using the power of Lasernet. I will show you how you can use our solution to easily work with Arabic script, right to left, or a mix of Arabic and Latin script, ensuring your documents are compliant with local languages and Sharia law. We will focus on two sample documents in this demonstration, a customer statement, which will be generated as a PDF document, and an Islamic finance loan document, which will be generated as a Word-based document. You can also generate other output formats such as Excel and XML if needed. The main thing here is the system is totally flexible. You can create documents using only Latin script, or you can also split the page in two with Latin on the left and Arabic on the right. The choice is entirely yours. Once these documents have been created, we can easily send them to the customer through your preferred communication channels, like email or front-end banking applications, as well as archiving them for future retrieval via whatever core or internet banking solution you are using. The best thing is, with only a little bit of training, you'll be able to do everything I'm going to show you now quickly and easily in-house. So if you're a bank or a system integrator, Lasernet is a real game changer for you, as you can take control over your own documents and communications in whatever language you need them. So let's get into it. Here is the list of sample forms within the Lasernet build. Following training, you'll be able to use this powerful tool to create new and maintain existing documents. In this section of the video, we will show the Arabic customer statement. This document will be generated as a PDF. On the left-hand side, you can see the XML data file that is sent to our solution from the source system. On the right-hand side, you can see the template, into which we will map the variable data. The template can be created within any Windows-based software or direct within the developer tool. The template contains fixed items like the logo, which can be switched automatically based on branding requirements, and the data tables, which can be dynamic based on the number of transactional line items being sent from the source system. As a result, single or multiple page documents can be easily generated. I will show you three functions. The first is the simple mapping of a specific variable field using our easy-to-use drag and drop tools. The data will be both Arabic, right to left, as well as Latin. We can change the font and presentation if needed. In addition, we can position Latin and Arabic characters on the same or separate lines. The next function is conditional mapping of variable line items. Based on pattern recognition, the line items can be recognized and mapped into the data tables, which will dynamically grow or shrink based on the number of line items sent. Finally, we can convert data into barcodes. As you can see, we have already generated a QR code in this example already. Here is the preview of the finished document. Once completed, the document is then uploaded into our server-based module, where the document will be generated automatically as soon as the data is sent from the source system to Lasernet. From here, we would then generate and then print, email or archive the document as required. The next form we will demonstrate in this video is the Islamic finance document. This will be generated as a Word document. To generate this format, the output from the core system is mapped into a dataset. You can see the XML file on the left-hand side and the tags on the right-hand side into which the data will be mapped. This is achieved using the drag and drop function. This shows the name of each tag containing the variable data that will then be mapped to the Word template. We then open the actual document. You can see the dataset containing the variable system data in tags on the left-hand side and the Word document on the right-hand side. Any document can be imported into the Lasernet build, reducing the creation effort. By dragging the dataset into the template, the variable data is then shown within the document at the position you want it to appear. We can also change the font as required. As you can see, we can map both Latin and Arabic data onto the same line. The data can be formatted into any Windows font at a click of a button. Here is a preview of the finished document. You can see we have mapped both single items and recurring transactional data. At the bottom of the page, you can also see the Sharia certification number, which can be part of the template. In this example, we have generated a multi-page document containing both paragraphs and tables, each containing a mixture of both Arabic and Latin characters. And there you have it, a customer statement and an Islamic finance loan document designed and generated through Lasernet using Arabic script. If you would like to find out more on Lasernet's potential for banking in the Middle East, or to discuss your requirements in greater detail, please reach out to me at marc.jenkins@formpipe.com or find me on LinkedIn. Many thanks and goodbye.